With this video, we're going to put sparkles to our text. As you see, I have chose an image that I had already made. I chose my font, which is Sweetheart Script. The font is always the hardest part for me to decide because there's so many out there available. I need 3 layers of my text, so I will go and duplicate, do it again, and you notice I have an icon that I have put here from a restricted script that I binded to this icon. We will close off the top 2 layers and highlight this layer. Now we'll go and pick up our plugin that we're going to use, Constellation, and when it pops up, I have already made my changes to my settings, but I'll show you that I chose a few stars and I have named it MCHNY so it would remind me of what I used on this text, and you can save it. And now we will click on OK, and I'll close that layer and open this one, highlight it, and go up. And since we've used this plugin, it shows here, so we can click it. And when it comes up, we don't mess with any settings except this random seed. And then we will close this layer, open this one, and move up to it. We'll go back and get our plugin again. We will hit random seed. And we'll close this layer and move back down to this layer and highlight it. We'll go up and right click, copy merged, go to Animation Shop, paste as new animation. And I'm going to pull it out, go back to PSP, close this layer off and open this one and highlight it. Go back up, copy merged, back to Animation Shop. You can go up to File, Paste, After Current Frame, but I like to right click, Paste, After Current Frame. There's less movement for my arm to do it this way. Go back to PSP, close this layer, open this one, highlight it, go back up to Copy Merged, back to Animation Shop, paste after current frame. So now we've got the 3 frames over here in Animation Shop. Let's just check it. And it seems to be sparkling. Let's just close this and let's save it. Go File, Save As, and I'm just going to name mine Holiday for now. We can always rename it. Let's save it. Go Next, 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 and Finish. Now we have it ready and saved. Let's go back to PSP, and I'll show you a trick. Close this layer and open these so that you've got all 3 of your layers open. And I'm not going to crop it here because I want to show you how to do it in Animation Shop. But if you want to crop it, you go Selection, highlight around your text, and go up to Crop to Selection. But I don't want to do that, so let's just save this. Save As, and I'm just going to name it Text. And we need to check to make sure that Animation Shop shows here, and just save it. Now we'll go back to Animation Shop, and you can open it by going File, Open, or like I like to use my browse and find our text, and let's find it in here. Well, we must not have saved it in there. Here it is. So we will close that. And you notice all the extra on our image. Let's go and hit the crop button. Draw around our text. And I'll pull this out to show you it's around all of them. And just go and hit crop. And now we're ready to save it. So let's go File, Save As. And I'm just going to name this Holiday 1. We hit Save. When this comes up, click on the Customize. Make sure that these tabs are set like I have them. These 3 checked. This is the most important one. You want to change this to 41, and you want to have no use existing image color checked. If you check this yes, this color or any color that's in this box will show up around your animation. So click OK, next, 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 and finish. Now let's check it. Our sparkles are there. There's no added background, so it's ready to use. You can use this on a pre-made image like I have shown you here, or by itself. Now I'll give you a couple examples. I made this one using the name on a gray background. I also saved it on an invisible background. I had this image without any name on it, so I put my Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to it. This image had the snow moving in the background, but I only chose the first frame because with the snow moving and the sparkles on the name, I thought it was too much. I have another here that I put it to. Let's check it. My sparkles are working, and I've got candles working. This is only a few ways that you can use a name that you have put sparkles to. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching.